Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the Dividend Payout Channel. Can you please hit that subscribe button, that like button? Please share with your family and friends. Feel free to comment below. Thank you for tuning in. And with that said, let's jump right into it. Today, we're going to be discussing NVIDIA. It seems like everybody's talking about this company, and for good reason. They are the leader or claim to be the leader in AI chips. So let's just jump right into it. NVIDIA Corp Corporation, they go under the ticker NVDA for NASDAQ. If you guys are looking into buying this company or wanting to add it to your portfolio, um, let's go over the numbers and what this company does, and we'll find out if it's a good stock to add to your portfolio. So right now, it's currently trading at $905.48 a share as of this video. Year to date, from January 2nd till March 28th, so today, it's at $481.68 on January 2nd, and then you can see it's doubled in price. So, in a 12-month period, 1 year ago from today, it was trading at $264.10. So you can see that insane rise in value in 1 year. So here's our market cap. They have it's 2.26 trillion. That's trillion, not billion, trillion. That puts them at the top of the top with the biggest companies around. For comparison, Apple Apple's market cap is currently 2.66 trillion. And in my opinion, if NVIDIA delivers on, all their AI promises and becomes, they already have on some of their promises with their innovative chips, AI chips, uh, we can see them surpassing Apple, which is just insane to think that a company could be worth that much. Trillions of dollars, that's a lot of money. That is insane. So, um, and that's in USD, US dollars. So, their PE ratio 75.92. Their dividend, if you're looking for a passive income stock, this to me isn't really it. They have a lot of growth potential, but as far as their dividend payout, it's not very much. They pay 0.018% currently. That's 41 cents per share quarterly. They pay out quarterly. So, yeah, you'd be holding this for the growth potential, uh, not so much in the dividend payout. But um, the surge was higher at the end of last week, came after earnings from Dell Technologies underlined robust demand for NVIDIA's chips. The company signals strong orders for its artificial intelligence servers, which are powered by NVIDIA and AMD chips. So NVIDIA is up 110,303% all time from it started out at 88 cents per share in July of 99. Wow, how far has that come? That's crazy. So according to Coin Codex price prediction 2025, you can see they're predicting it sometime in 2025 to hit $1,633.93 per share. So that's represents an 80%, roughly an 80% increase from where we are today. And then as you can see, as the years go by, its demand and increase goes up. So I'm assuming Coin Codex is taken into the account that they deliver and they become the number one um, regarded AI chip company, and they're in demand. So if AI claims to be what it's going to be, and for the world economy and the changes in the future, for these prices to happen, that they would have to deliver. AI would have to become what everybody believes it can be. Um, so yeah, if these price predictions are correct, right now is a good time to get in to buy NVIDIA stocks. I'm not and I don't hold any NVIDIA personally, but I have been contemplating it. Um, I'm not really sure. I feel like we're going to have a little dip in price in NVIDIA because it blew up so fast this year. It was surged, and usually when there's a huge surge that quickly, uh, usually history tells you that there's going to be a little bit of drop, sell off. People are going to want to cash in on those. Those day traders are going to want to pick up on their profits. So right now, I'm just kind of holding off to see where NVIDIA is. I believe it is a good company. You don't get to almost over $2 trillion, heading towards 3 trillion market cap on accident. So when we scroll down here, their price prediction for 2030, this is quite insane. If this were to happen, whew, they're predicting it to get to $31,072 a share. That's represents a 3,327% increase from today's price, which I mean, unless there's a stock split, obviously you won't see that price. Um, but yeah, that would be crazy. I don't even know what the market cap would be. 30 trillion. It would be nuts. So, but anyway, that's just according to Coin Codex, which I can see where they're coming from. So if we move on, um, yeah, that would be something. But if we move on, so according to the Motley Fool, consider when NVIDIA made this list on April 15th, 2005. Motley Fool is like an investment uh, tips and website that you guys can check out too, the Motley Fool. And on their site, they consider when NVIDIA made this list on April 15th, 2005. If you had invested just $1,000 at the time of their recommendation, right now, as of today, that investment would be worth $552,967. Guys, whoo, that is insane. And they do stuff like this all the time. If you check out the Motley Fool, it said if you've invested $1,000 in some of their picks, so you can follow them along. Let's go over NVIDIA's revenue. So their financials look fantastic from what I can tell. Their revenue 22.1 billion. It's up 265% year over year. Their net income 12.28 billion. That's a 768% increase year over year. You guys can read their diluted EPS, their net profit margin. Everything's up in the green. Operating income is up almost 1,000%. Their net change in cash is up 1,076,000,000, 198%. So it's all green, all looking good. They don't disclose what the cash on hand, but I assume it's in the billions, tens, 20 billions. Um, Cost of revenue, obviously, with this much demand, it's going to cost. Yeah, so everything's going to go up, but it looks good to me. Their financials look fantastic. Um, so here's a little tips. If you go to NVIDIA.com, you can kind of see what partnerships and stuff. But AWS to build Blackwell-based NVIDIA DGX Cloud GB200 super chips to accelerate training of cutting-edge LLMs. And they also have Oracle and NVIDIA are partnering to build regional AI infrastructures worldwide. So if you guys don't know, Oracle is one of the, if not the biggest software companies out there. So this is NVIDIA is partnering with they have Microsoft, Oracle, I believe IBM. So all of the top software companies are one way or another partnering with NVIDIA, which helps NVIDIA out. So moving on, NVIDIA AI Enterprise IGX, an enterprise grade software solution. powers mission critical AI at the edge with unmatched performance, security, stability, and support. So if you look at NVIDIA.com and you go through what they offer, here's their, there's a list. I just kind of put it all in so you guys can see. So there's gaming and creating. You have graphic cards, laptops, sync monitors, all this. They have, it's very well done. They're, as a company as a whole, I mean, that company is solid. You scroll down just from their gaming and creating, their laptops and workstations, uh, all of this cloud and data center. I mean, these guys are they know what they're doing. Networking, the GPUs, embedded systems. Uh, I mean, if you guys check out their website, it is something. But I don't know. You guys do your homework on it. Is NVIDIA something you guys would add to your portfolio, or do you already have NVIDIA in your portfolio? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. I appreciate it. Thank you guys. Until the next one, I'll talk to you later.